Good afternoon, everybody, ladies and gentlemen, and the Smile Train extended family. I congratulate Smile Train today for completing 500,000 cleft surgeries in India. In the context of what we're talking about, it is a short span of 18 years, and I consider myself extremely privileged to be sharing in celebrating this occasion, because in the honorable work that Smile Train does, this is truly and very endearingly referred to as a smilestone, one that we collectively are extremely proud of, and one we feel blessed to be a part of. Smile Train and I have now been associated for almost a decade, and this journey has truly been wonderful. Thank you for having me on board on this wonderful journey. I feel blessed to have had the opportunity to be a part of making a difference in the lives of so many children born with a cleft. And I'm happy to see so many children treated. I've had the opportunity on various occasions with Smile Train to have interacted with the children post their surgeries, and we all talk about at our various meets about how the kids get a new lease of life and get to enjoy all the privileges that we all do on a day-to-day basis of this blessed life, and it's really, truly very, very fulfilling to experience that firsthand with the children. But all this would not have been possible without the dedication and the work of all you doctors. Thank you so much for partnering with Smile Train, all the nurses, the speech therapists, the orthodontists, the workers on the ground, on the job. Thank you for your dedication and your continuous efforts to help the dreams of so many children and their families come true. And by providing cleft care to all these children, we are actually able to give them a wonderful life, and this in itself is a blessing for each of us. Your dedication, your hard work, and your compassion truly is the driving force of Smile Train. The outreach workers who travel from village to reach out to children with clefts, uniformed personnel of Border Security Force and Sashastra Seema Bal and their wives association who connect children with Smile Train in border areas and difficult geographies, the government partners who work with Smile Train under the National Health Mission. You all make invaluable contributions in ensuring that every child has access to cleft treatment. It gives me joy to see the generosity of the corporate sector in India and all the individual donors. Thank you so much for keeping this journey ongoing. With everyone's support and dedication, I'm confident of many, many more milestones to come. My family's participation. My parents and my daughter also recently, albeit very early in her life, has gotten introduced to the work that we do together with Smile Train, and I'm so thankful, so grateful to God that I've been able to share in this experience and get them to recognize and get them to participate in such effective work with children, I'd say world over, but at this point, currently very, very strongly even here in India. Last year, Smile Train very, very generously offered to honor my father, the late Mr. Krishna Raj Rai, by